We had a member who felt that his business was being underrepresented in a market, and we brainstormed about, well, what could we do to get a bigger market share? And we came up with this idea as an example. We identified the 25 best potential customers in his market area that he could get or could get more business from. And we surveyed them and asked them, what were the qualities or services from this particular type of a provider that they would like to get, like to see, and weren't experiencing, at least not to the degree that they wanted to at that time. We collected all that data. Then we had invited the 10 leading customers that they'd identified and sent the questionnaires to, and asked them if they would come and participate in a focus group over the lunch hour discussing how the overall quality of service in our industry could be improved. And you know, every one of them came. We spent about an hour asking them a whole variety of questions. And the great thing was every one of the employees heard what every one of their customers said. And we said, okay, now we know what they said. What are we going to do? And they created action steps that would lead to the provision of those specific service improvements in their industry, which theoretically would take them to become the leader in that market. And one of the things that came out of that, thinking about getting outside of the box, was the creation of an entirely new position called customer advocate, which was a person in that company that any customer could call at any time of the day and find out exactly where their project was at that time. And the company took off. It became about 4 times the size that it had been when we got outside the box and started thinking about how can we integrate and get a new view of what our customers want. That's just a simple example, but it's a critical component of our leadership to be continuously looking to get outside the box and redefine and separate ourselves from our competitors.